And that like goes back to just like the style of how we were tackling these problems is having, like, Angela talked a little bit about that unfiltered outside perspective. We were able to be that to each other because we all brought a problem to the table. And at the end of it, I think all of our problems weren't actually, we solved for the root of the problem, not the problem that we all brought and thought that we had. So by asking those intentional questions and things, and, on the topic, Angela was talking about surveys and being intentional and how you ask it. That was a huge takeaway for me, because my part of my problem, and it's not really a problem, but it's that I'm newish to this role. So it's been less than 2 months. And so I'm trying to figure out what's working, what's not, all of that. And I've asked franchisees, and, I'm not getting a ton of feedback, and everyone's like, well, all you're asking is what's working, what's not. You're not being specific, and they don't know what to ask you to tell you what they think is working and not, because you're not being specific enough. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. I do that with consumers, didn't do that with franchisees. So